Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to record Skype video call on Windows and Mac using ShowMore. In recording your Skype video call through your computer, simply go to its official page. Once on the page, click Start Recording to launch the screen recorder. For first-time users, you must install the launcher to use the tool. Prior recording, you can make some configuration by going to Settings and set the hotkeys, Output folder, video format, mouse styles, audio quality, etc. You can also set the audio input that you prefer, such as system sound and microphone. Now open your Skype account and start a video call. To start the recording, set the recording frame along the area to record and then hit the record button. The recording will then start instantly. While recording, you can add some annotations as you wish. And to end the recording, click the pause button, and then hit the check mark. A preview of the recording will then be shown. From here you can select the portion that you like, and then click Save. After that, another window will appear. Now choose Save as Video File. Key in the info required and then click Save once again. When the file is processed, a pop-up window will appear giving you options whether to play the video. Edit it. Open the folder. Or copy the file path. And that's how to record Skype call easily. Thank you for watching.